So this is what we're making, a little flower shape out of copper. We're going to make a little flower shape that we can turn into earrings. This is 16 millimeter diameter, 0.5 thick copper. Now I'm probably going to enamel this when I'm finished. Copper or fine silver, both work equally well, brilliantly as a matter of fact. So we need to find the center of this so we can drill a 1 millimeter hole. And because it's 16 mil, we can just put our calipers on 8 mil. Hook one edge of your caliper on the side of the disc, turn it 90 degrees, hook it again, make a mark. 90 degrees, hook it again, make a mark. Now where those marks cross will be the center. So we'll just punch this so that your drill doesn't move. Just a little punch is all you need, punch mark. And we're going to drill with a 1 millimeter drill bit. So just push. It should go through really quickly. If you don't push when you're drilling, oftentimes the drill will just heat this up to the point where you can't hold it. So you need to have a bit of a fair push. This needs to be annealed. If you haven't annealed it, or if you haven't bought it dead soft, anneal it now. And that's just heating it up until it's a dull red. After you've annealed it, quench it, dry it, and I'm going to shape it with these round and curved pliers. So when you squeeze the metal in there, it actually makes it into a bit of a U shape. So we're just going to pick a point, squeeze it, go opposite, squeeze it again, 90 degrees, squeeze it. So I've got 4 points. Now I'm going to go in between those points. There are a few other ways you can do this, but these pliers make it dead easy. So you can see now I've got my little flower shape, and what I'll do now is pickle this to get it clean, and then we'll enamel it. You could just use this as it is, make a head pin, run it through here, and make your ear wire. For the ear wire or head pin, I'm using a 60 millimeter long piece of 0.8 silver wire. Just hold your wire in a set of tweezers, come up from underneath at a slight angle, melt a nice ball on the end, quench it, and then form your ear wire. Now I'm using flat round pliers to do my ear wires, and this wire will just fit the hole in our disc, and I want it to have a nice 90-degree angle, and I'm just going to bend that straight up. Then I'm going to put it through the ear wire, put it through the disc, and turn it. So there's my little flower. Now all I have to do is bend my ear wire into the proper shape. So I'm just going to come about 4 millimeters down, bend that slightly forward. Then I'm going to shift that flat bit and come up to the wide round part of my pliers and push it up and over, and then, yeah, so you can see that it's not quite what I want. That's what I want. So just bend your ear wire until you have whatever you want. Now, you need to pickle this to get the oxides off your silver. But there you go, a nice little earring. Nice and simple.